Guys, that is 760,000 an hour. You're gonna be able to buy whatever shit you want in like a day. Oh my gosh. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Caboose here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to scrape panels in Star Citizen. So how to salvage panels where you can actually be making more on your time than even if you bought a $50,000 mission on Star Citizen. And I just tried doing a Constellation Andromeda mission from the contract mission, right? Contract menu, right? Where I paid 50,000 AUEC for it, and I quit because it took over an hour for me to scrape it, and I didn't even finish because it was just getting to be too much. It took too long. It was bugging too much. It is not worth it sometimes, guys. So, let me show you guys the new method that I've seen on YouTube. I've seen on the comments on my videos is what I meant, and then I've seen videos, and then I've also seen people in chat talking about it and a Reddit post. So I think what you're supposed to do is you're just supposed to head to a crew L1, L2, whatever station, an L station. Right where I am here, I'm at crew L1. So an L1, so a Langervin station. Oh my gosh, I sound stupid. I forgot the word. But basically, just head to one of these stations. Okay guys, I found out how to find them and I will let you know right now. Okay, so what you need to do is, in order to find panels, you have to go into this mode where you see your weapons, or quantum jump mode. Then what you have to do is you have to press tab to scan. Once you have scanned, you enter your V mode, your scanning mode, to see what correct integer it is here. Over 2,000. If it's under 2,000, it's not plates, okay? It's not panels. You have to have 2,000 or more. Then, once you have locked down the location, you have to point your cursor at the Inn of Unknown, okay? Not at the top, right where it says unknown, okay? Then you go back to quantum jump mode, okay? You disable scanning and you drive there. That's how you do it, okay? So, I know that's a lot of information to do, so I will tell you guys again. I'll put it up on the screen and everything. But yeah, let's get to work, guys. This is just how we're gonna have to do it. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Look at this. What we have to do first though is we press Alt D. Oh no, wrong one. Sorry. Alt S and switch to cinch. So you hold Alt S. You hold Alt S to only switch this one, okay? Then you press Alt A, sorry. Then you press Alt S to equip it again, and then that's how you mine both. And you can make it a little bit wider, just like that. I think that's the perfect amount of width. We're gonna do like that so it's barely not touching, and it's gonna melt it for us like that. We've already got 0.5 SCUs, guys. This is absolutely crazy. If you see right here, it literally says, when we're mining, or when we're scraping it, guys, it literally says 4 SCUs on each side. We're gonna make so much, guys. It's gonna mine up that entire thing, then we're gonna spread it up. Oh, would you look at that? These panels are worth so freaking much. It's absolutely crazy. We already have 1.6 SCU, guys. Oh my gosh, that's already about 15k or so. Let's actually just focus it a little bit more directly on the same spot. That's what we're gonna do. And we're just gonna glide through this. We're just gliding through it. Look at that. So guys, in order to min-max, what you need to do is you have to have the cinch scraper and the abrade scraper active, because the abrade scraper is just better, but you need to have that left cinch one also. It just makes it so much better. Look at that, guys. We already have 2.6 SCUs, which is already 30k, because it's about 15,000 per, so it's 14,000 per. Hey guys, I'd like to remind you again that there's a 1 million AUC giveaway next Friday. This is the winner right here. Congratulations to you. The money is sent over already, so good stuff. And I hope that you really have a great time spending that money and everything. And I hope everyone else, if you subscribe and drop your IGN down below, you'll be entered in the next giveaway as well. So I would also like to say though, if you guys are hearing this right now, drop, let's say, before you put your IGN, put an exclamation point. Put exclamation point, then your IGN, and you guys are going to have double entries because you actually heard me say this, you know? So, good stuff, guys. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Good luck. Just like that, guys, we finished mining all of these up, and let's go look at it. We have 13 SCUs. We got an entire full back thing right there off of just... Oh my gosh. Guys, it's been 20 minutes counting me looking things up to make sure, because there were bugs with the scanner, doing all of these things. That's insane, guys. Like, oh my gosh. We are literally going so well right now. Let's fill up these boxes, and this is just going to be so much. We could fit, I think it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think it's 8 SCUs here. 8, 9, 10, counting, like, if you have it fully stacked. Then you go to sell, and then you do that. I think that's kind of insane. So, oh, that's my gun. Yeah, I have a sniper rifle on me, even though I'm in regular armor. That's so loud. That is my bad, guys. Oh, it's having a little weird thing. Please clear the conveyor belt. Then press eject again. Okay. There we go. I guess I needed it moved from there. Oh, that can cause a ship to explode if you mess up. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Oh, come on. Just fit right there. Come on. There you go. So that's already 2, 3... 4 SCUs. 5 SCUs. 6 SCUs. 2, 4, 6. Nice. I don't know how many we can fit in here. I thought we could fit 26. Oh, yeah, because we don't need to use the hangar. Wait. Because we don't need to use the hangar. So we can fit a lot right here. Boom. I mean, cargo is just weird. It's always bugging. Yeah. We can fit it just like this. On top of each other. It's not bugging as much as it was. Not bad. 2 SCUs left. We could fit a lot in here, actually, then. I bet. I don't know if this is gonna bug the cargo and like make my ship explode or something. I would hope not. But guys, that's a lot of money in like actually less than 20 minutes. That's 150k, I think. What I'm gonna do is before I go, you know, lose everything, I'm gonna go sell all that because that's a lot of money to me right now. I have 300k. I wish I could win my 1 million AUEC giveaway. So don't forget, guys, while we get back into the ship, that there is a 1 million AUEC giveaway going on by next Friday. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop your IGN, so your in-game username, down below for a chance to win 1 million AUEC. All you have to do is be subscribed. There you go, guys. That's not too bad. Is Orinth? Okay, now Orinth is over there, so where I need to go sell this is Brios. Because I don't want to go sell it to the cities. Which Brios might have a lot of people there. So we're gonna just have to take that risk. You know what I'm saying? So that kind of sucks. But it's what you have to do in these kinds of situations. There we go. Right now, checking 13 SCUs of recycled material composite sells for 187,000 UEC. That is freaking nuts, guys. 180k, but we're only going to get 140k for it because we're going to Brio's Breaker Yard, because just knowing my computer, it crashes a lot when I go to those big areas. So if I go to Orison, if I go to Area 18, if I go to New Babbage, Lorville, all those, even sometimes Grimhex, because there's been a lot of people there. So for the mathematical thing, we are saying 190k, guys. That was 190k in literally 15 minutes. That's freaking nuts. Holy cow. Guys, we are making 760k an hour because it took less than 10 minutes to wipe all 3 of those things, and adding time to travel there, I said 15 minutes per thing, right? That's 4 runs. You're making 760,000, guys. Otherwise known as a million every like hour half. Oh my gosh, guys, this is the new money method that is going to get you rich. You guys are going to be fully stacked, fully loaded, being able to do whatever you want in the verse. Holy crap, get on this method now. Before this gets patched, guys, you have to get on this method. That is literally 750k an hour. That's fucking crazy. Guys, that is 760,000 an hour. You're gonna be able to buy whatever ship you want in like a day. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, so sadly I was taking a phone call, which made me forget to press resume on the recording, so I was literally just traveling here, and thankfully I remembered right when I landed, so that's good. And the way I land here is, if this is where you sell, I just land straight in the middle. I know the ship looks wild, and it's not supposed to look like that, but guess what, guys? Who cares? Money, time is money, and I gotta get there instantly. So let's see this, guys. That's 98K. Transaction complete. And that's 43. So we made 9 plus 4 is 130, plus the like extra 10K. Boom, we're at 420K balance? There's no way. I started today at 200K. There is no way. I also just opened my inventory to check my balance. We're not at 420. We're at 562. What? Oh my gosh. Guys, we're literally filthy stinking rich. That's insane. We're actually gonna have whatever we want. Oh my gosh, guys. Do not sleep on this money method. Please, you have to do this before they patch it, before they're like, wait, these things are worth more than 50K salvages? Yeah. What I mean by that, guys, is when I say it's worth more than a 50K salvage, is if you go to the salvage tab and you pay $50,000 for this right here, you are making less money than if you go and mine one of those random things in space. Like, that's absolutely crazy. And it literally took me way less than half the time. It took me 15 minutes to do all that. So, guys, don't forget, I did that in 0 gear. Literally. You don't even need any of this either, because you land on a planet and sell stuff. You could do it in your medical gown when you get out of the bed. Okay? So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, comment your IGN down below so you can enter the giveaway. And as always, have a great day and adios. Bye-bye.